Today, I'm sharing 6 important Photoshop settings that many users may not know. These adjustments make the interface clearer and help Photoshop run more smoothly. 1. Recent file history. In Photoshop, press Ctrl plus K or Command plus K on Mac to open preferences. In general, turn on Auto Show Home Screen so Photoshop shows the files you opened recently. Now let's open Preferences again. Go to File Handling. Recent file list contains 5 files. This means Photoshop will only display the 5 most recent files. If you want more, change it to 20. Then Photoshop will show up to 20 recent files. If you want to clear the list, go to File. Open Recent. Clear Recent File List. This will remove all recent file history. 2. Interface Settings. In Interface, the UI font size controls the text size in Photoshop. If you choose Tiny, everything becomes very small and hard to see. So it's better to set it to Large for a clearer and easier to read workspace. If your interface looks too bright or too dark, you can adjust it in color scheme to match your preference. 3. Smoother navigation. Go to Tools and enable Zoom with Scroll Wheel. This lets you zoom in and out smoothly using your mouse wheel. 4. Overscroll. You can hold the spacebar and freely move the image around the canvas. If Overscroll is turned off, when the canvas is smaller than the workspace, the image will stay fixed and you won't be able to move it. 4. File Handling. In File Handling, enable Automatically Save Recovery Information and set it to every 5 minutes. This allows Photoshop to create a backup while you work. Remember, this does not replace your normal save. Photoshop only uses the recovery file if the program crashes or closes unexpectedly. If you close Photoshop normally, the recovery file is deleted. So for important work, remember to press Ctrl plus S often to save your file. 5. Performance Settings. In Performance, adjust the RAM usage. A safe range is 70 to 85%, so Photoshop has enough memory while other apps still run smoothly. Next, you'll see the graphics processor. Turn this on so Photoshop can use your GPU for smoother performance. In advanced settings, options like OpenCL and GPU compositing can be left as they are, because Photoshop has already optimized these defaults. Next is History States. The number of undo steps. Around 50 steps is enough for basic editing, but you can increase it for more advanced work. Just note that it will use more memory. Cache levels should be set to 2 or higher to keep zooming and panning smooth. 6. Scratch disks. Open scratch disks. If you are using a Mac, there is usually only one drive, so nothing needs to be changed. Here is the Windows version. For Windows users, do not select the C drive. Choose all other drives if available. Here, I only have drive D. This prevents the common scratch disks are full error and ensures Photoshop can save and operate normally. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching till the end.